Hey y'all! So I have brought this very trending berry pull me up, and I hope you all will like it. It is really very yummy. So first off, we are going to start by toasting our oats. This is regular rolled oats, and I'm going to just toast it so that it is cooked and it gets out of its raw flavor. So after your oats cool down, this is how we are going to prepare it. I'm going to give all the ingredients one by one as I put it. So let's start making it. First of all, you will need a nice glass. Maybe you can use a nice glass container or a plastic glass, whatever you feel comfortable. If you're going to give it to kids, I would prefer to give it in plastic ones, but if you're giving to some adults, some guests, glass ones work really well. So first layer we are going to put of our toasted oats. Then we are going to add some chopped cashews. Make sure to chop it really nicely, and we are also going to add some chopped almonds. This is going to be really rich, nutty, fruity dessert kind of a thing, but it is very healthy. And we are going to add some chopped apples. You can put any fruits that you like which are in season, because I think it is best to use the seasonal fruits rather than buying it later on. And now we are going to add the layer of our yogurt. So this is blueberry yogurt. I am using a yogurt from the market, and it is really easy because you get so many good flavors in market now. So first we are going to put the blueberry yogurt. The second flavor that I'm using is the pineapple one. This is really nice, and the colors also go well, as well as the flavors complement each other. Blueberry and pineapples really go well. So this is the pineapple yogurt. And the third layer that I'm going to add is the strawberry yogurt. This is really yummy, and I love how the colors are going with each other. This is a beautiful pastel palette that I have used. If you want to make it more vibrant, you can add some food color to your yogurt and make it really vibrant, but I really prefer the neutral pastel tones, so I'm just keeping it how they come. And we are going to add some more strawberries on it because it was in season. Yeah, I found them, but you can use any other fruit that you like. So after this we can add some more nuts. It's absolutely your choice how you like it. You can add more fruits if you like, or you can add more nuts of your choice. You can add some more oats on top also if you like. So this is a dish that you can make it according to your preference. In the end we are going to add ice cream. Okay, so I am adding vanilla ice cream, but if you like, you can add any other ice cream of your choice, like any fruity flavor to add one more fruity layer in your dessert. So it is how you like it, it's all your choice. So as you can see, these layers look absolutely beautiful. You can add anything you like on top, and more fruits, more nuts, granola, whatever you like. You can add some chocolate bits on the top also, but I am just keeping it all fruity. So you can add some chocolate chips, some gems, some caramel, whatever you like on top. So I had to spend some time in photos and videos. So the ice cream is getting a bit melty, but if you have a choice, please add the ice cream in the very end when you're ready to serve it, so that it is all good when you flip it. So to flip it, all you need is to put a plate on top of it and be really quick in flipping it, and just shake it a bit and just see the magic. This is a really very healthy dessert that you're going to have. So please give it a try. And if you like it, make sure to comment, subscribe, and share it.